Hello students, I'm here filming my screen. Somehow on my feed I ended up getting this video and I find it just heartbreaking. These are someone's legs. This is a turkey who died begging for their life, terrified. They did nothing wrong, and now someone comes along and puts this on YouTube. And this person makes lots and lots of money doing this. Can you imagine if this was a human baby? Just a baby. That's all they are, turkeys. They're bred into existence to grow so big, so large, it's not normal. And then we murder them. For what? Just for taste pleasure. I don't think it's okay. I really think it's wrong. And I think some of you, if you really look closely, will think the same. How does this seem natural to you in any way? When there are grocery stores so close nearby, why would you want to hurt somebody when you don't have to? How can you put your hands on a dead animal who's so innocent? And then to take a knife and slice them. Why? Why would you do that? It's so unnecessary. There are grocery stores everywhere. Ow! 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 Fucking stop! Ow! Why would you want to eat this? Why would you think at any moment that celebrating things that you're thankful for should entail a dead body on the table? Ah! Ah! Stop! When you see somebody carving the chicken or the turkey or the lamb or the fish or the cow or the pig, I want you to scream, just like I'm doing now. Ah! Do it. Do it the next time you're around meat. Help give the animals a voice. Don't just let them lie there as if they're as limp as if they never had a life. Make sure that everybody knows that it's wrong. Get your fucking hands off me! Leave me the fuck alone! Fuck off! Put me down! No! 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 Ah! The fuck's wrong with you? No! Ah! No! Don't! Don't! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! I never did anything wrong to you! Leave me the fuck alone! Ah! No! I've seen enough. I put a comment down here, and I urge you to as well. We do not need to hurt animals. We can have a kinder, more compassionate world. We can all start now to stop this needless discrimination against our fellow earthlings who deserve to keep the only thing they own in the entire world, their one life. Please be vegan from now on. You can go here to any site that promotes animal cruelty and let them know exactly what you think. And make videos like I do too. And anytime you see somebody bite into an animal or cut into an animal or stab an animal, scream. Scream as if you are their voice.